Yeah,
okay, Baba, first I want to introduce myself as usual.
I'm David Sipuja, the General Secretary of the Union.
First of all, why was the a delay or a break or a snag either today from around tea time?
Well, when the companies were presenting their financial status, we detected a mistake in their presentation that in 2013 they claimed to have given labor an increase of 10%. Whereas we know very well that there was no 10%, it was 8%. And the second year it was 7.5%.
So is that issue sorted now? Have they admitted that they made a mistake?
That issue has caused a lot of havoc here because we don't trust anything that they give to us now.
What about the financials of the mines? How far did you get with that this morning?
We had not yet even got there. We detected this mistake. They call it a good faith mistake. Now it blocked everything.
And what about the social compact that was presented to you yesterday? What was the union reaction to that?
We have not yet accepted this social compact. We're studying the document. We might agree to it in future depending on what we decide on as we go through it. However, we don't want the social compact thing to be a stumbling block to these wage negotiations.
What happens from now on? Are the negotiations back on track now?
Well, when we broke for lunch, there was that a misunderstanding caused by the claim that they gave us 10%. So there's nothing that is going forward now. We are stalled.
And when do you think you're likely to get an offer from the employers? Any idea?
Well, probably next week, but we wanted them to table the offer this afternoon.
You think it's going to be next week?
Initially, they said it was next week because we thought they would have time to present their financial status, but we said you can't motivate before you can put an offer on the table. Put an offer, then motivate.
Okay, but they still want to motivate first.
They're still stuck to motivation before they can make an offer.
So what day next week is it likely to be?
Well, it's going to be tough. We don't see us going forward without having an offer on the table because we need to report to our members there.
What's the next step?
Next step will be determined by what the employer does afterwards.
What do you expect them to do about it?
Well, we expect them to continue trying to convince us that we need to understand that they made a genuine mistake. That's what we expect from them.
What about if they don't come in with an offer this afternoon? What happens then?
Well, I think as the NUM, we will decide on our caucus as to what to do next.
Can you tell us about the schedule? I understand the second round starts on Monday. What happens? When is the third round?
The third round is, I think, up to the 8th, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have the dates. 6, 7, 8.
And just one last question. This issue about membership that AMCU is raising, has it gone any further? The idea that they got 10,000 more members?
AMCU presented what they said they are stock orders that were not processed as far back as 2012. They just presented the chamber of those boxes. There was no discussion about that. Well, we are aware that this forum is not for discussing stock orders.
Yes, if you can just elaborate a bit more about the social compact. What are some of the agreements entailed there?
Well, they promised that by 2024, for example, a rock drill operator would be earning, or would have earned so much in terms of pension. We are not here for pension. Unfortunately, we are here for an increase of wages now in 2015, not to wait for 2014.
Are you cognizant, though, of the possibility of mining retrenchments throughout your negotiations?
Retrenchments are part of this industry's life. Even if we accept 5%, they continue retrenching. Now we have not yet accepted anything, but they are retrenching at during without us demanding or accepting or being given huge increases.
And just a couple of other things in this compact. I'm told there was training, welfare package. What else? What things caught your interest in this compact?
Well, as I say, we are still studying the document. I can't comment in detail on what you call it compact.